Various decisions had been taken at the Cabinet meeting held today, the 31st of March 2022. At a press briefing after the meeting, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, announced the Cabinet's approval of the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, the ex post facto approval of the amendment to the GST rules carried out in the years 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021, the approval of the proposed collaboration with the National School of Law of India University, Bengaluru for the P A Sangma Fellowship for Legal and Policy Research and Training. The Cabinet approved extension of the term of service of retired Colonel Gautam Kumar Rai as Director of Sainik Welfare Shillong for another 3 years, and also the extension of the term of service of retired Colonel M. Sushaphir Singh as Zila Sainik Welfare Officer, Tura for another 3 years.
To everyone. So we had a cabinet meeting today, and the main agendas today that were taken up was regarding the notification for the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. So under the minor minerals, we had started a reclamation fund back in the year 2015, and this was based on an order from the High Court. Based on that, the funds have been collected, but the guidelines to actually use them had not been framed. They were in the process of being framed, and now that the framing has been done, this had come to the Cabinet for its approval, and we have approved it. After this is done, the utilization of the funds through a governing body and through an executive committee will be undertaken. So this reclamation fund will be implemented mainly to reclaim the areas where the minor minerals have been excavated, and it is in line with the major minerals reclamation fund, where everything from filling up the areas, mines where the mining took place, including plantation of trees, increasing of greenery, protection of the water bodies, so mostly environmental related subjects. Given approval to the GST rules, which were also some of them were ex post facto from 2018, 19, 20 and 21. These are basically GST rules that are applicable with the amendments that come in. And so normally we amended the act, but we also felt that the rules also should be placed in cabinet. So hence we went through the entire exercise of placing all the rules also, which followed the amendment to the act, also placed in the cabinet for its approval. We've also started a fellowship program. This is the third one with National Law School of India. The purpose of this fellowship program is to have students and graduates and people who are following their graduation and post-graduation in National Law School India, Bangalore, to work with the Government of India. So there will be 2 fellowships. We are calling the fellowship the P A Sangma Fellowship for Legal and Policy Research Training Collaboration. And the National Law School will select these fellowships, and a small stipend will be given to these individuals to work with the government departments to ensure that the proper research and everything is done.